Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi router AX3600, and now I'm gonna show you how to create a backup of all settings of this device. So if you have the troubles of the router, you need to make a factory reset. But if you don't want to lose all settings, all filters, all family controls, you need to create a backup for this device if you want to restore all settings again. So to do it, you need to open, of course, miwifi.com, then click settings, and click here status, then scroll down, and here we need to create a backup. So click new backup, click backup, and it will download the backup of all settings on your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.